Hello friends, this Shape Squad video is certainly one of the most touching transformational stories you probably have come across in a long time. Today, we step into the shoes of Diane Latta, a 78-year-old powerhouse whose life story turns everything we think we know about getting older and health upside down. Her journey from battling with severe weight and health issues, including colon cancer, to finding a breakthrough with a meat-only carnivore diet is nothing short of inspiring. This isn't just a story for us all. It's rather a powerful lesson that change is possible at any age. Diane's been through it all. As a nurse for over half a century, she saw firsthand the struggles with health, but never imagined she'd face her own battle. From a young girl with an uncontrolled appetite to reaching a weight of over 300 pounds, she's tried every diet in the book, diet programs, pills, even surgery, only to find herself back at square one. But then, everything changed. Let's dive into Diane's extraordinary journey, full of hope, passion, desire, and the willpower to never give up at any stage of life. Meanwhile, subscribe to Shape Squad and join us as we uncover how Diane transformed her life, offering not just a remarkable transformational story, but a beacon of hope for anyone ready to make a change in their lives. Recent studies from Harvard and Revero, a carnivore diet community led by Dr. Shawn Baker, have reported powerful benefits for thousands of participants. Both studies show how a carnivore diet can significantly improve and even resolve numerous diseases, reduce medication use, improve gastrointestinal conditions, boost mental health, clear up skin conditions, and promote weight loss. And Diane's story is among the very top of such remarkable turnarounds. Let's start with Diane's early struggles with food and health. Diane's relationship with food was complicated from a very young age. A vivid memory that stands out in her mind is an incident at a friend's birthday party. At just 8 years old, she found herself unable to resist the allure of a bowl filled with M&Ms. Her inability to stop eating them, even when she wanted to, was her first encounter with what would become a lifelong challenge with binge eating disorder. This moment was more than just a child indulging. It was the beginning of Diane's complex journey with food, where comfort and control battled for dominance. Lifelong weight fluctuations. As Diane grew, so did her struggles with weight. Her adult years were marked by significant weight fluctuations, with her weight peaking at over 300 pounds. Diane's journey to control her weight saw her turning to numerous diets and interventions. She recalls using amphetamines in her youth, a common but dangerous method at the time. Later attempts included joining Weight Watchers, trying Medifast, and undergoing bariatric surgery. Each method promised a solution, but ultimately led to temporary weight loss, followed by inevitable gain. This cycle wasn't just physically taxing, it took a significant emotional toll, leaving Diane feeling defeated and trapped in a cycle of yo-yo dieting, facing cancer and seeking solutions. Diane's health concerns took a dire turn with the diagnosis of colon cancer. The diagnosis was a wake-up call, leading to multiple surgeries and the arduous journey of chemotherapy and radiation treatments. This period of her life was fraught with uncertainty and fear. However, it also forced Diane to confront her health and lifestyle choices head-on. She knew that to fight cancer and prevent future health issues, a drastic change was necessary. Discovering the ketogenic diet. After her cancer treatments, Diane stumbled upon the ketogenic diet. This low-carb, high-fat diet seemed promising and offered Diane a new hope. She embraced it with enthusiasm, noticing improvements in her energy levels and a gradual weight loss. However, while the ketogenic diet was a step in the right direction, it wasn't the ultimate solution for Diane. She still faced challenges with food cravings and the complexity of balancing her diet. Enter carnivore diet, the game changer. The shift to the carnivore diet marked a radical transformation in Diane Latta's health journey. After years of battling with food addiction, weight issues, and a serious health scare, Diane was ready for change. Her discovery of the carnivore diet came after extensive research, spurred by her frustration with previous diets and the desire for a solution that addressed not just weight loss, but overall health and well-being. The decision to adopt the carnivore diet was not taken lightly. Diane meticulously researched the diet, combing through medical studies, personal testimonials, and nutritional theories. What stood out to her was the diet's simplicity and the profound impact it seemed to have on individuals with similar health struggles. Armed with this knowledge, Diane decided to eliminate all plant foods from her diet, focusing exclusively on animal products. This meant no fruits, vegetables, grains, or legumes, only meat, fish, eggs, and select dairy products. The early days, adjustments, and realizations. The initial transition was a period of adjustment for Diane. The first few weeks on the carnivore diet were marked by significant changes in her body's response to food. She experienced the expected adaptation phase, including fluctuations in energy levels and digestion as her body adjusted to the absence of carbohydrates and fiber. However, these challenges soon gave way to noticeable improvements. Diane found that the constant hunger and food cravings that had plagued her for decades began to diminish. The simplicity of meal planning on the carnivore diet also brought an unexpected sense of relief. Without the need to count calories or balance macronutrients, Diane's relationship with food started to change. She began to enjoy meals without the guilt or complexity that had overshadowed her eating habits for so long. Profound benefits from the carnivore diet, Diane's health revolution. Adopting the carnivore diet brought Diane an array of health benefits that exceeded her expectations. These improvements were not just physical, they encompassed her mental and emotional well-being, fundamentally altering her approach to health and life. The most tangible benefits Diane experienced were in her physical health. The diet's impact on her weight was dramatic. She achieved and maintained a healthy weight without the constant yo-yo effect of her past dieting efforts. But weight loss was just the beginning. Diane saw significant improvements in her blood markers, including reduced inflammation levels and optimal lipid profiles, indicating a lower risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. Mental and emotional well-being. Perhaps more surprising to Diane were the mental and emotional benefits. The carnivore diet led to enhanced mental clarity and focus, a stark contrast to the brain fog and lethargy that often accompanied her previous high-carb diets. She also experienced mood stabilization, finding herself more even-tempered and resilient in the face of stress. This newfound mental and emotional balance was a revelation, contributing to an overall sense of well-being and happiness. Now, let's talk about the freedom from food addiction. One of the most profound effects of the carnivore diet was the liberation from the cycle of binging and dieting that had dominated Diane's life. The elimination of sugar and processed foods, along with the diet's satiating nature, helped curb her food cravings and binge-eating episodes. For the first time in decades, Diane felt in control of her eating habits, free from the compulsion to overeat. Meal planning on the carnivore diet, simplicity and satisfaction. Diane's approach to meal planning on the carnivore diet is characterized by its simplicity and focus on satiety and nutrition. Without the need to consider carbohydrates or plant-based foods, her meals revolve around high-quality animal products. Diane's day typically starts with breakfast, often consisting of eggs and bacon or a piece of fatty steak. This meal sets the tone for the day, providing her with ample protein and fats to fuel her body and keep hunger at bay. A key component of Diane's meal planning is intuitive eating. She listens to her body's hunger signals, eating when hungry and stopping when full. This approach has allowed her to maintain her health and weight without the need for constant monitoring or calorie counting. Diane finds this simplicity liberating, enabling her to enjoy her food and her life without the stress and obsession that once accompanied eating. Flexibility and variety. Despite the carnivore diet's apparent limitations, Diane enjoys a variety of foods within the animal kingdom. She rotates between different meats, fish, and poultry, and occasionally incorporates dairy products like cheese and heavy cream for variety. This flexibility ensures she receives a broad spectrum of nutrients and keeps her meals interesting and enjoyable. Through the carnivore diet, Diane Latta has experienced a health transformation that has changed her life in profound ways. Her journey illustrates the power of dietary choices and the potential for food to heal and transform. By sharing her story, Diane hopes to inspire others to explore their dietary options and find the path that leads them to optimal health and well-being. Looking towards the future. Today, Diane's life is markedly different. The carnivore diet has transformed not just her body, but her outlook on life. Retirement is no longer a time of health concerns and limitations, but an opportunity to enjoy life fully. She spends her days gardening, caring for her hens, and enjoying the outdoors, activities that were once physically challenging or uninteresting. A message of hope. Diane's journey is a powerful message of hope to others facing similar struggles. Her story is a testament to the idea that it's never too late to make a change. The carnivore diet, while not for everyone, was the key to Diane's health transformation. She encourages others to research, consult healthcare professionals, and find the path that leads them to health and happiness. So friends, what is your opinion about the carnivore diet, and which diet plan do you follow? Tell us your experience in the comments. Press the like button if you found Diane's story inspiring. And do not forget to subscribe to Shape Squad, as we are to bring a lot of many such amazing, inspiring, and life-changing experiences for you in our upcoming videos. See you soon.